we are currently trying to play some catch up right now. We are following Marcus to Pat Built Performance. He's getting his new stage 3 trans put in and a new clutch as well. But we got caught at like 2 lights back there, so that dude's probably damn near halfway there. So we got a little catching up to do. But yeah, this is low-key kind of aids as traffic is way too congested. I just want to catch up, man. Yeah, low-key might just catch up with y'all when I pull up to the shop, because this is just too much traffic right now. No wonder we got hella traffic. 2 big ass joints going down the highway. Holy shit. Alright, we're actually pulling in before Marcus. We passed him on the highway. He was camping the right lane. Oh shit, never mind. He's right behind me. He's right behind me. Yeah, we pulling up. We better be back here in like 24 hours too. Better get some headers put on, so. Alright, we just pulled up Pat Built. He is finally getting his stage 3 transmission put in. And then what's the clutch?
Cloud RXD, finally.
Yep, all that just to get absolutely fucking obliterated by this car.
He hasn't slept right since he dragged this car.
Nah, I'm trolling. Low-key, I thought I had it, but then I saw his run with another S650. It was like the same, dude, it was like the same setup as mine. I think like, it was long tube headers, but it had a 3.3 pulley, and Marcus got him, so I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, stage 3 transmission built by Ben Calamer. So hopefully we get this thing dropped in, get the car back, and then he has 1,000 braking miles he needs to do. So I'm thinking he should definitely be able to finish that by Texas 2K, or at least on the way to 2K, 100%. 100%. But here we go. Here's the trans. We had to take off the top 2 pieces of wood to fit it in the car, but here she is in all her glory. You excited?
Yes, sir. It's been like,
I know you haven't had this car since like basically I moved here.
yeah, like 2 months, I think.
That shit's crazy.
It's been like 2 months.
Here she goes. All this work to get gas.
Huh?
All this work to get gas. I got you. I'm talking too much shit. I'm gonna get fucked up on the street. I'm gonna get fucked up on the street.
2,000 years later.
All right, it is the next day. We are now headed to. We're gonna go pick up my headers and drop those and the car off at Pat Built. Let's first open the garage and get a cold start. Right, we're 8 minutes out from where we gotta pick up the headers. And then I think we got like another 15-minute drive, maybe a little more to Pat's shop, where we can leave the car and, you know, the headers. Marks is also following us, so we got a ride home, thankfully. All right, headers are secured. I'll show you guys these things when we pull up to the shop. I got them in the trunk right now. Got some headers, connection pipes. Chilling back there. Thankfully I put my seats in too, because I guarantee they're just vibrating on each other, and I'm not trying to listen to that, because we got a 23-minute drive to the shop. But yeah, I'm gonna get this boring part done with, and then I'll pick up back when I'm at the shop. All right, we pulled up. Here are the headers. We got 2-inch Cooks headers. Those are gonna be going on the car, and then we're gonna be retuning the car as well once we get these in. Here's the dud machine right here, baby. That's the dud machine. Ain't that right, Marcus? This is the dud machine.
He's doing all this talk. He went ahead and bought headers for his car. Right here, go back over there.
Yeah, as I say, he got the trans that just came out. Yeah, you can hear it. Dude, that thing is toast. So alright, get this put in, get your 1,000-mile break in, then you can come get me. Alright, it is the next day. Obviously, my car is not here. We actually picked up Marcus's car last night. I'm sure you guys already seen the video on YouTube, but we picked up his last night. We're picking up mine today. We had to actually weld some shit and do a little more cutting to get the X pipe and the dumps on there. But the car's gonna be good to go. I actually just got called. Everything's installed. They're gonna be throwing the car onto the dyno, so I'm gonna make sure to include those clips of the before and the afters. And I'm gonna catch up with you guys also when we go pick up the car and the first drive home on the headers setup.
All right, we just got Wingert's tune loaded on the car. We're gonna do one pass right now. We let it cool down. We put the fans on top into the engine bay, let it cool down. The headers are cold to the touch, so that's pretty good. And the Whipple's cold as shit. So we're gonna do a pass right now, see what this thing makes on Wingert's tune. All right, let's see what this thing made on Wingert's tune. 911! Wow! So it made a little bit more. About the same temperature. Lost a little bit of torque, not much at all though. Wow, that is it's pretty good. What do you have to say about that?
Switch over to SAE. Let's see
What do we got? 891.
the same difference about.
Yeah.
3-wheel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
Apples, baby.
Apples to apples. That is a good graph. That is a good graph. What do you have to say about this, Pat?
I'm gonna send this log off to Wengard. Send him the graph as well. See how he likes it. What I do want to do is I want to take away the cold graphs on Rob's, so that way we only have Rob and Wengard. And I want to see if we can see any differences across the curve. So let's go ahead and do that quick.
All right, this is the difference between Rob and Wengard. Red will be Rob, blue will be Wengard. This is all of the data. This is SAE, by the way, not standard. The graphs look pretty similar, except for the start. Wengard goes he kind of just shoots straight up. But, you know, the mid is kind of even.
That's because I think it actually spun a little on the mid.
Yeah.
It ramped in like that. It came on a lot harder.
That shift was hard.
No, that wasn't the shift. That was it putting the car down the dyno.
Oh,
It
right.
hit that hard, yeah. So there's
Wow.
a 9 horsepower difference, but then Rob at one point goes up a little bit right there. Rob's like 7-wheel over, and then they pretty much stay dead even all the way up.
Yeah, I mean his is 2 over, but still that's pretty even.
And we revved them out
Exactly the same. Yeah, we did rev them out.
This is apples to fucking apples. Like,
Yeah.
there is no bullshit.
I mean, yeah, Wengard put down a lot more power at the start.
Yeah, well, I also hit it earlier, but it definitely hit hard with that low.
Yeah. But yeah, that is pretty interesting. Now we're gonna see if Wengard is happy with this. I mean, I hope he is, because that's kind of nice. But if he is not happy with it, we will make a revision and then do another pull. All right, we're gonna do one more pull to see if we can squeeze anything out of it, but this will be the last one. Let's see how it is. All right, let's see what it made. Oh, 900, so it did fall off a little bit, because I mean, obviously it's hot, and that is that is what he made, 911.
That's exactly what it did before too. On the other two, when you pull up the cold one,
Yeah.
the same thing, it dropped off like
that is his final numbers. I think he will be pretty happy with that. The headers picked up a lot. What did it pick up? Like 15, 20?
I mean, we don't really know because we don't have the same weather, unfortunately. If we had 45-degree weather, we would really get to see the real gain. But
All right, it's next day. We got the car back from Pat Built Performance. We finally put some long tubes on this car. Also, I don't know how I'm arranging these clips, but big shout out to Evan for recording the tuning and dyno process. I was actually unable to be at the shop while they did that, and Evan recorded it all for me, so big shout out to Evan. The plan is tonight too, I think we're gonna go out and draggy this car and see what a difference it made. Tell you what though, this thing definitely sounds a lot different outside of the car and inside the car as well. This thing sounds way different. It's actually a little quieter on the inside, which I do like. This is definitely quieter in the cab now. And the tone's different. I fuck with it, I like it. And just driving too, like with the new tune, I can tell like the shifts are a lot smoother. Also, want to give a shout out to Mike. Thank you for hitting me up to buy the headers. I do appreciate that. Yo, this thing's clean. Stinger? Man, that thing is clean. Dude, but even just cruising at like, even cruising 10th gear, 70 miles an hour, this is way better. Yo, hell yeah. Yeah, we got the old headers in the trunk. We'll have to take them bitches out when we get home. And then air out the tires as well before we go draggy. Which we gotta do it tonight because we're supposed to get a decent amount of rain here in Houston, like all weekend and like even like bleeding into next week a little bit too. Which is, I mean, I can't really complain. We've had nice weather for the last, you know, like week or so, Bro, it's actually crazy what a difference this made. It'll be interesting to see though, like, it'll be interesting to see what wide open throttle sounds like as well. Probably go out in like 5 hours and test it out. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna catch up with you guys then because I'm about to get off the highway and this traffic is about to be hooked. So I'll catch up with you all then. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed those dyno pulls. Let me tell you, I'm super happy with these 2-inch Cook's headers, man. I didn't think it was gonna be this big of a difference if I'm being completely honest, because I was on stock headers. They were cat deleted, but now we are on obviously these 2-inch and it makes a big difference, let me tell you. Also, switch tuners, went from Rob. Now I'm tuned by Wengerd, and I think I'm gonna stay here. I am definitely happy with the Wengerd tune. I don't wanna give out too much. I don't wanna spoil too much. I will have a draggy video up on the channel. But if you guys all enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a like, drop a sub. Be sure to stick around. I'm going to have a draggy video up real soon on the channel. I will catch you all in the next one. Peace.